Did you know people are making thousands every month using Canva without being designers? In 2025, Canva has become one of the easiest ways to turn your creativity into real income, and most people still have no idea how.
You gotta be kidding me, bro!
Stay till the end, because idea number 14 might blow your mind. It's something Canva doesn't even advertise. Canva isn't just a design app anymore, it's your all-in-one business partner. Whether you're a freelancer, student, or small business owner, Canva helps you design faster, look professional, and make serious money. No degree, no Photoshop, just creativity and consistency. Because everything you design can become a product or a service. Let's start with idea number 1, selling Canva templates. Social media posts, business cards, planners, resumes, you name it. Upload them to Etsy, Fiverr, or Shopify, and every sale earns you money, even while you sleep. What if one design you made tonight earned for you every day this year? Next, offer design services. Every business needs content, and Canva makes it simple to deliver branded visuals that wow clients. Start small with logos and Instagram templates, then grow into full branding kits, logos, cards, and everything in between. Remember, you're not just designing graphics, you're building someone's identity online. Got marketing skills? Combine them with Canva. Create ad creatives, infographics, and brand decks. Businesses will pay good money for done-for-you visuals. Or flip it, teach Canva itself. Make tutorial videos, reels, or online courses. People love learning from creators who make complex tools simple. That's your edge. And if you're camera shy, don't worry. Idea number 7 will let your designs do the talking. Your Canva art doesn't have to stay digital. Turn it into posters, printables, or journals and sell them through print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Printful. You can also design planners, checklists, or even coloring books for kids and adults. Once uploaded, these can bring in a steady stream of passive income month after month. Did you know you can build entire websites with Canva? Perfect for small businesses, portfolios, and events. And the video editor, it's powerful enough to make YouTube intros, reels, and TikToks that actually sell. Brands are paying freelancers right now just to make their short-form content look professional. And the next one's a hidden gold mine. People pay for it year-round. Everyone loves a personal touch. Weddings, birthdays, baby showers, custom invitations are always in demand. And don't forget, branded stationery, business cards, letterheads, thank you notes. Sell pre-made packs online or offer to customize for clients. Canva makes it effortless. Now here's where things get wild. Canva lets developers create apps inside the platform and earn recurring income from users. Or, if you're a teacher, Canva's Education Creator Program pays you to design classroom resources for millions of students worldwide. Yep, Canva isn't just a design tool anymore. It's an entire creative economy. So how much can you make? Beginners can earn $500 to $2,000 a month selling templates and downloads. Work with clients and you could charge $25, $40, even $75 an hour. The secret? Consistency and creativity. But before you rush off to start, here's one final truth about success with Canva. Canva is just the tool. The real money comes from how you use it, your ideas, your consistency, your willingness to experiment. Start small, stay consistent, and your Canva projects could turn into a thriving business. If this video gave you ideas, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm dropping Canva money-making tutorials every week. And don't skip the description. I've linked my favorite resources and Canva hacks you'll wish you found sooner. Start creating today, because your next design could be your next paycheck.